Hey Tribe Squad, what's up? It's your girl Chandali, and I'm Chandali. You know, I run this channel, and I appreciate you guys coming back to my channel, girl, to watch another bomb-ass wig review. You know, it's something Sunday, so I wanted to talk about a new wig to me, and I hope you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, I make wig reviews for beginner wig wearers and people who like hair, girl, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my tribe by clicking the link down below. The wig that you are seeing right now is the Bobbi Boss Evangeline glueless lace wig. It has a 13x7. Okay, they said move out the way, 13x6. It's a 13x7 lace parting space area. And it does have HD lace, so, you know, but it is really soft and it's flexible, and yeah. I have mixed reviews, so we're gonna talk about it. I need to know, what do you think?
It's hard to judge with the baby hairs right now.
What's wrong? You don't like these? These aren't luscious?
It's like a mini set of bangs on.
Yes, I like to keep them curled.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard, now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah.
Let's talk about the hair. So I'm looking at the notes. It is a 13x7 hand-tied lace area. You know it's got HD, so it has that little white cast. I should have tinted it, but I didn't. Look at me living the carefree life. I'm gonna pay for that later. Baby hairs for added realism is, this is exactly what it says on the card. An elastic band in the back for a glueless wear. I am using a little Got2b just because I wanted her to lay a little flatter. Girl, I'm telling you, this whole entire install is a progression. So this is probably not an install video. If you want to see that, I got some links. I'll boop, boop, hit those up top. But yeah, so it has a flex fit cap, which means that it's, you know, supposed to be big head friendly, and I'm gonna agree. It's got some space. It's got a little give, girl. So I was a little stressed with it just because I don't think that the hairline looks pre-plucked. It definitely needed to be plucked, but I'm not gonna do that. This is me using the Got2b, and this is what the wig looks like, honey. It looks cute. Oh my god, it looks cute. Okay, so I'm gonna use this wrap to kind of layer a little flatter, and I was practicing some baby hairs earlier. Had me pressed, girl. Hit the thumbs up if you like baby hair. No, I'm kidding. Do not try me in the baby hairs, because I'm just not good at it. It's just not my forte. Hit the thumbs up if you are practicing your baby hairs. How about that? But that's what I was doing in this video. Okay, let me go and show you guys some looks, sis, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vibe.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
Alright guys, so I am so proud of myself. Bitch, I did not give up. Oh my god, and let me tell you, this wig had me so stressed out. I know y'all saw me talking about it on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing half of the tea, girl. Make sure you're following me at Chandali101. It's just on Instagram. I'll link it down below. But this is how I ended up styling her, and she ended up looking cute. Like I said, probably not for beginners, but definitely worth a coin. But from a tangling perspective, tangling is present, shedding is present, so there's that. I would have liked to see her at a lower price point, but you know, this is life. Anyways, make sure you guys come back and drop a comment and let me know what you honestly think of this wig, girl. And I appreciate y'all rocking with the Tribe Squad. If you haven't already by now, hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post again. I'll see you guys next time, which you know is every Thursday and Sunday because I post at 6, which are always bomb ass wig reviews. Perfect for you. Keep on watching. I have an entire playlist for beginners right here. And yeah, bye guys. Thanks for hanging out.